Good morning, friends. This is Professor Ipuranjan Sinha, Professor Information and Communication Technology, Development Consultant, Republic of South Sudan, Director General Council for Sustainable Peace and Development, and President Innovation Society of India, President International Association of Sports and ICT. Today, I'm just expressing my view about the transforming India presentations, speed, scale, spectrum of transforming India. So let us start the visions of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, speed, scale, and spectrum of transforming India. That presentation is prepared by Transforming India. So let's start speed, scale, and spectrum of the transforming India. World of speed, scale, and spectrum of transforming India. Okay, so the she's yet. Let's start the concept behind that. Development reaching the poorest, ensuring better life for all. This is the vision. Development reaching the poorest, ensuring better life for all. So in this context, Government of India is preparing a plan, development for all, like the Jan Dhan Yojana, serving the bank needs of the unbanked peoples. Around 34.3 crores Jan Dhan account opened yet. According to the World Bank Findex report, India accounts for the 55% of new bank account opened globally between 2014 to 17. India in the post payment bank launch, taking banking system to doorstep of poor and unbanked peoples of the India. Over 1.25 lakh access point rolled out in the 4 months. This is the very amazing task performed by the government. Development for all. Jan Suraksha Yojana give insurance to the poor. 14.64 crore person insured under the PM Jan Suraksha Bima Yojana at 12 rupees per year. PM Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana benefited 5.67 crore family at 330 rupees per year. Atal Pension Yojana for the unorganized sector worker has more than 1.37 crore subscriber. Financial security of the senior citizen with PM Bandhan Yojana gives 8% interest for the 10 years. Investment limit doubled to 15 lakhs and scheme extended till 2020. Development of all schemes. Swachh Bharat Mission bring about a sanitation revolution. Rapid construction of toilets, ensuring dignity of women and erecting open defections. Over 5.48 lakhs villages in 27 states and UT declare open defection free. Sanitation coverage increased from 38.70% in 2014 to 98.82% as present. Over 9.74 crore toilet built as on date, as on report of the 3rd February 2019. Development of all, ensuring food security for the more than 18 crore people. Food security ensured in all the 30 states. UT as against 11 states in May 2014. Now, development for all, direct benefit transfer, ensuring money in account, removing middleman. World's largest cash transfer program over the 6 crores, receiving over 1,04,045 crores. Bank 6,6,473 crores directly transferred into bank account of the beneficiary of 437 scheme. About 8 crore fixation beneficiaries removed. Development for all. India Post Payment Bank delivering doorstep banking to the unbanked. Launched 1st September 2018. So over 30 lakhs account opened, 21 lakhs transaction performed worth about 800 crores. IPPB offers savings and current account and service like mobile, phone banking, SMS banking, bill payment, and DBTs like that. Development for all, boost to financial service with PM Jan Dhan Yojana. So in this case, overdraft limit raised from the 5,000 to 10,000. No condition for overdraft to 2,000. Age limit for the availing overdraft facility increased from 18 to 16 years to 18 to 65 years. Accidental insurance cover for now RuPay card holder range 1 lakh to 2 lakhs rupees. Development for all, Shram Jayate, upholding dignity of the labor budget 29-20 proposals. PM Shram Yogi Mandan Yojana to provide assured monthly pension about 3,000 after 60 years of age with monthly contribution of 100 rupees to benefit 10 crore worker in the unorganized sector. Under NPS, share of government increased to 14%. Maximum ceiling of bonus for the labor increased from the 3,500 to 7,000 per month, and gratuity ceiling increased from the 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs. In case of death, withdrawal limit from the EPFO increased 2.5 lakh to 6 lakhs. So the world new India is arrived shortly in your doorstep. So let's transform the world to the transformed India. World see a new India. India become the global growth engine. India remain the world fastest growing economy. India's GDP in current price increased by 31% between 2013 to 2027, while the gross GDP increased by 4%. India rate highly on the all investment and microeconomy indicators. World see a new India. Yoga goes global. Entire world celebrate Yoga Day on the 21st June with a great enthusiasm. Yoga inscribed on the representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of the humanity in the UNESCO. The world see a new India. India lead the fight against climate change. India played leading role of COP21 in Paris. India spread solar alliances with a commitment of 175 crores of the setting of the ISA. PM Modi inaugurated the first assembly of the ISA on October 2, 2018. Cabinet approved resolution to open ISA membership to all countries that are a member of UN on November 1, 2018. The world see a new India. In the historic first, India carried protecting motherland with the full might. In the historic first, India carried out strategic surgical strikes showing the new battles, long pending demand of one rank, one pension fulfilled, over 35,000 crore. It distributed modernization of defense force going on the all full phase. INS Aryan completed its first Victorian patrol, established India nuclear friends. The world see a new India. In the last 4 years, India relations with the other nations have seen significant improvement. World Economic Forum is a historical first. The first here the India story from the PM Modi at the World Economic Forum Davos. India secured representation of International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea, International Maritime Organization, Economy and Social Council. Subsequent to the inclusion of MTCR in 2017, India secured membership of Vasquez Agreement and the Steel Group of 2018. The world see a new India. Jai Vigyan. Jai Vigyan. India most advanced communication satellite GSAT-11 and multi-band satellite GSAT-29 launched to increase high-speed communication and broadband services. ISRO set a world record by launching 104 satellite in the single flight. With IRNSS-1G, India joined elite list of the country with their own satellite navigation system, NAVAC-IC. First Asian country to launch Mars orbiter mission with the Mangalyaan. The world see a new India. India leading the global shift towards renewable energy. India is trending a global renewable energy installed capacity, wind power fourth, solar power fifth, renewable energy fifth. In last 4 years, government has invested over 14 billion USD in a green energy space. Renewable energy installed capacity 2040 30.51 gigawatts and October 2018 that is 73.35 gigawatts. Putting farmer first. This is another big achievement. So putting farmer first in the case of multi-facet focus on a doubling farmer income, a special focus on irrigation with the aim of feed crop more crop, provision of quality seed and nutrients based on the soil health of each field, large investment in the warehousing and cold chain to prevent poor post-harvesting crop losses, promotion of value addition through food processing, creation of the national farm market, removing distress and any platform across 585 stations, introduction of the new crop insurance scheme to mitigate risk and the affordable cost, promotion of ancillary activities like poverty, beekeeping, and fishery, putting farmer first, record budgetary allocation of record outcome from the credit target raised 11 lakh crore 2018 to 19, crops of 10,000 crore to create infrastructure in the fishery, aquaculture, and annually harvest sectors, tax incentive to promote post-harvesting agriculture activities, 2,000 crore for the agri-market infrastructure fund, set up 1,290 crore allocated under the national bamboo mission to help setting up small industry, putting farmer first, standing with the farmer in the times of need, relief to farmer in distress given the case of 33% and more damage to the crop. Earlier it was 50%. For food grain damage due to excessive rainfall, full minimum support price to be paid. Family of the decreased person to be given an assistance of the 4 lakhs up from 2.5 lakhs. 82% raise in the provisions under SDRF during 2015 to 20 as compared to 2010 to 15. It went up to 61,220 crore from the 33.583 now 90 crores. Putting farmer first, unprecedented support to farmers with the record procurement. 64 lakhs metric tons of the pulses and wild seed were procured at the MPCS from the farmer of 2014 to 18. Extent of buffer stock of the pulses increased from 1.5 lakhs ton to 20 lakhs ton. Record procurement of 45 to 43 lakhs metric tons of pulses under the price support scheme. Greater access and availability of fertilizer. 100% neem coating result in the improvement of soil health, reduction and pest and disease attack due to increased nitrogen use efficiency and increased corporate special banking arrangement. Around 10,000 crore to clear fertilizer subsidy due. Significant increase in the urea production with new area policy. A reduction in the MRP of DAP, MOP and the complex fertilizers. Putting farmer first, ensuring more crop Pran Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, 50,000 crore to be invested to achieve Har Khet Ko Pani, over 47 lakhs hectare covered under the micro irrigation since 2015-16. 99 old irrigation project to be compared to the few months. Dedicated micro irrigation fund 5,000 crore, lotting farmer to insulting solar water pump to field irrigation, helping farmer get raised price. Electronic National Agriculture Market (eNAM), e-trading platform 585 regulator market to the fetch base price for the farmer. eNAM, more than 1.47 crore farmer and seller are registered. Over 2.31 crore tons of the farmer community are transaction eNAM. Unpresent price supports of sugarcane industry. This is another big chance. Raise in the procurement price of the ethanol derived from the sugar canes. So that with the participants raise financial assistance 13.88 quintal for the sugar wood grain can due to farmers. Historical range of the MCP the all kharif crops. Hike in MCP of the 14 kharif crops. Raise in the MCP ranging from the 200 to 1827 per quintal, ensuring 50 to 90% return over the cost of production to boost production, improve nutritional security, and reduce import. Putting farmer first in cases of unprecedented hike in MSP of the all rabi crops like the wheat, masoor, grain, barley, refresh mustard, sunflowers, and like that. These are cases, ensuring remuneration price of the farmer. PM Anandata Ajay Samrakshan Abhiyan launch price support schemes, price efficiency payment, private procurement and stockist scheme. Agriculture growth gather new momentum. This is another big putting farmer first. Putting farmer first in agriculture export policy 2020. Double agriculture export from the present $13 to plus billion to over 16 billion 2020. Farmer to get benefit of this opportunity in overseas market for both ethnic, organic and traditional non-agriculture product export. Establish monitoring framework to oversee implementation of agriculture export and policy. Putting farmer first, historical farmer income support scheme, budget 29-20 proposal by the Prime Minister of Narendra Modi. Proposal PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana 12 crore margin farmer to provide it with the early income of the 6,000. Outlet of Rashtriya Gokul Mission increase in 750 crores. 2% interest subvention for the animal husbandry and fishery activity. Additional 3% case of timely repayment. Prevention 2% during disasters to be provided. Harness Yuva Shakti transforming CSS machine. Harness Yuva Shakti transforming education, furthering empowerment overall school education effect to boost up educational information in the tribal area for the building innovation skill. Ramp and Reading, Wealth and Desk, transforming education, furthering employment, numerous universities like 7 IITs, 7 IIM, 14 IITs, 14 IIM, 4 NIT, 1 NIT, 2 IISS, 103 KB, 62 Navodaya Vidyalaya established and made operational. This is amazing, very remarkable thing, especially so the public so long should be work on in this direction. Recognize talent with the PM Research Fellowship Scheme, but 17,000 to 18,000 per month for 5 years and 2 lakhs annual grant for PhD and research. 20 institutes declared an Institute of Eminence. Transfer education, furthering empowerment, 16 university granted, graded autonomy. National Testing Agency conduct aggressive attendance. Harness Yuva Shakti through the self-employment, Startup India, E-Mudra, augment arena of skill development and vocational training. Over 13 certifications, 1 crore lakhs that. Furthering sports and sportsmanship. Hello India, financial assistance 5 lakhs per annum for the 8 years to talented players. First Hello India school games launch on the 2018. 3,508 players from the 29 states, 7 UT participate. Hello India like that. Realizing India full potential through the women lead empowerment. This is another big thing. Especially well-being of expected mother. Paid maternity leave extended for 26 weeks, 6 months, one of the highest duration of the in the world so far. 49.88 lakh women paid maternity benefit. First of the kind initiative to tackle malnutrition through multimodal intervention. From women development to women-led development, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, sex achieve the word improvement, 1.5 raising implied girl secondary and like that. So from women development to women-led development, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, supply skill and supplying capital of Nari Shakti Yojana and like that, securing women's against violence ordinance to death penalty for the rapist, promoting social empowerment for the women. This is another big thing, social empowerment of women, bill that empowered Muslim women against triple track process to Lok Sabha. Muslim women can now perform Hajj without a male guardian, putting women ahead. Preference given to the women in the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana for passport rule relaxed for the single mother. Historic pay hike for Anganwadi worker, monthly honorarium, Anganwadi worker 3,000 to 4,500. Exist in the wise cases 2,000 Anganwadi worker to many AVCs. There's a lag benefited about 27 lakh Anganwadi worker and Anganwadi helper. Monthly of the performance linked incentive increases. For an ASA worker with the benefit package, ASA and ASA facility all the social security scheme. Over 1.6 crore ASA and ASA facility covered under the PM Jeevan Bima Yojana. 9.57 lakhs ASA and ASA holders. Rating industry increased from the 1,000 per month to 2,000 per month, and supervisor visit and writing committed to rural justice, fulfilling aspirants to the social the historical budget of 95,000 crore. Welfare for SC/ST community, present 44% budget allocation. So accessible India, accomplished India, like the until 2014, only 56 camps organized compared to monthly average of 140 campaigns during the last 4.5 years. 8 and assisted equipment, 700 crore distributed. Bharat, Access Headed like that, setting the state of social empowerment right of persons with the Disability Act is extended. So, leaving to the no stone unturned for the justice, strong amendment for SC/ST Act, connecting young India to Bala Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar, historical disease history, equity and justice for all, Constitution Amendment 2019 brought into effect, building a healthy India, Ayushman Bharat PM Arogya Yojana for the universal health coverage, ensuring good health, mother child care more than benefited like that. So Poshan Abhiyan to ensure proper enterprise healthy India, ensuring affordable and quality healthcare, quality and affordable health, eliminated disease on dose at a time. Mission the Dhanush completed a 5 phase covering 551 districts. The sunrises of the light healthcare professional, the right healthcare professional bill 2018. New infrastructure for New India, building home, listening green, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, and urban infrastructure transformation through the smart city, more road and highway, greater transformations, railway development of the track, the road gas commissions. Right now, in 5 years, 11,600 kilometers was completed. This year, 9,526. North is the fully integrated with the east of India, rest of India with the entire network covered in the road gauge. So infrastructure for Vanyar, property for air travel, पूरे देश के आम नागरिक. This is another big project. Harnessing inland waterways to boost connectivity. India first inlet waterway terminal to river Ganga inaugurated. Trust to environment and fertility cheaper fuels. 100% electrification of road gauge route of Indian Railways. Significant taken to clean Ganga. Excellent growth of full aspiration of crore areas. So accelerate growth, bold reforms, stronger institutions, resurgent economy, and like that, banking responsibility the next wave of the growth. Easy of compliances to labor welfare, GST enhancement is freeze, mega GST relief of MSME fuels impact of growth, enhancing growth, simplicity, and transparency with the GST. India a leading mobile manufacturing hub, accelerate growth, strong macroeconomic foundation define India. So India become the global growth engine. India transform the world employed. India climate like that. India is significant jump in the age of doing medicine from the 2014 to 2018. The jumping accelerated jump. This is the big year. India growth gather new momentum. Manufacturing growth gather new momentum. Growth rate of the sale of commercial ticket gather new momentum. PM unveiled 12 key initiative to growth of the credit, build market, better technology, easy of doing business, and safeguarding interest. Extended co-led development, making estimate of future growth. 2000 proposal, leave the taxpayer budget of 2009 proposals. Eliminated corruption, institutionalized honesty, enhancing transparency. Eliminating corruption, strong against corruption and black money, special investment teams. Enabling legislation and amendment of drug descriptions. Eliminating corruption legislation amendment drugs, policy of clinics, reverse of speedy transform disposals. So, extended speed scale of transforming the nation, connect India and the space speed, reductions of present speed scale and safety to health development. Historical development of the driving rural India. Toilet build of rural India, sanitation coverage, no common service center, gram panchayat, common connected political fibers, historical transform of caste structure, food and the structure of pigs, new momentum for the new India, new paradigms in the financial inclusion, powering a building billion aspirations, unprecedented skills, connecting world and broad connected growth of IT return in the last 2 years. This is another big thing. Higher tax compliance over the last 2 assessment years. Demonetization boost population of economy, delivering broad struct project at the expression stage. Major boost of budget allocation to the 920 basis. The big. So this is the major boost in the budget allocation to 1920 versus 2013 budget allocation Manrega in the 2013-14 that is the 33,000 crore, but now for 60,000 crore. Welfare of SC 2013 to 14 41 crore. Now it is that 76 crore. Welfare of SCA, that was 24.5 crore in 2013-14, 2019-14, that is a 15 crores. Defense budget is also increased. ICT budget also increased. So just be the part of the India. Let's transform India, develop India, sustain India, innovate India. Thank you very much. And I like to invite all investors of the world to be and invest in India and grow with the India. Okay, let's enjoy the vision and mission of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and be and see the India as a development. Thank you very much.